Hi, scholars. So this week, we're gonna do something pretty cool. We're gonna build a ramp, and then we're gonna send items down our ramp. Now, scholars, it's actually really easy to build a ramp at home. All you need is a piece of cardboard, maybe a game board, the top of a shoebox, anything that's gonna be kind of sturdy or hard to hold the materials up. But I know I can't just set it flat. When I have a ramp, just like we've built in our classes before, it has to be a little bit of a slant. So I just grabbed some of my coffee mugs to hold it up. But you could use about anything. You could use another box, you could probably use some toys, you could use a cushion, anything that'll just hold your ramp up, okay? Now friends, I told you we're gonna send items down our ramp. And we're doing this because we're gonna answer the question, does it roll? Well, when something rolls, it's going to move by turning over itself. Now I want you to think maybe a tire on a car. When it's moving, when the car is moving, that tire is going to be rolling. Or if you are laying at the very top of a big grassy hill and you decide to start going down it, you would start to roll. Your body would start turning over itself and you'd be rolling down the hill. So friends, I have about 6 different items and we're gonna look at these items to see, do they roll? Are you ready? All right, so the first item I have is a Clorox wipe container. So friends, what I do is I'm just gonna hold it at the very top of my ramp and I have to make sure I don't push it. I'm just gonna let go because when I let go, that's how we're gonna get a better way, a better view of it either rolling or not, okay? So I'm just gonna move my hand. Oh my goodness, and I notice it rolled. Watch one more time so you could look very closely to see this container roll. It turned over itself. It was rolling. I'm gonna set this to the side right here so I can remember all of the items that ended up rolling. Ooh, okay, let's try our next one. I have this nice little sign and I'm just gonna hold it at the very top. Now let's see, is it going to turn over on itself or is it just gonna do something else? I don't think that was rolling. That kind of looks like us when we go down a slide at the playground. So this item, it did not roll. So I'm gonna just go ahead and set that over to the side. Let's try another one. Ooh, I know. What about a pair of scissors? If I just held them at the very top and let go, do you think it's going to roll or slide? Or maybe it does something different. Let's find out. So let's see, does it roll? Well, I know we were talking about when things roll, it goes over itself. I don't know, I don't think so. Let's see. Nope, this object, it did not roll. So I'm gonna add it to that pile over there. Ooh, I know, I have a ping pong ball. Ooh, what do you think? Do you think it's going to roll? Okay, let me hold it at the top and let's find out. I'm gonna let go. Oh my goodness, and it rolled super far. So this ping pong ball, I can add to this section right here because it rolled. It what? That's right, because it was turning over on itself. Okay, I got it. Next one. Seems a little silly, but I have a lime. Okay, I want you to make a prediction. We've seen 2 items that rolled, and we've seen 2 items that did not roll. What do you think this lime is going to do? Is it going to roll? Okay, go ahead and put the prediction in your brain. Keep it there, keep it there. And then I want you to look to see what actually happens. Oh my goodness, that almost rolled faster than my ping pong ball. So scholars, was your prediction correct? Did you predict that my lime was going to roll? If you did, you're so right. My lime, it did roll. Let me add it right over here. All right, friends, I have a few more items to test out. So I'm gonna use my magnifying glass as my next one. You know, this is one of my favorite items that we use in science. Now, if I just set it flat down, what do you think? Do you think it's going to roll? I'm gonna put that prediction in your brain and just keep it there. And be on the lookout to see if your prediction was correct or not. Oh my goodness, it was actually so heavy, my ramp fell down. Let's try that again. Let's see, was your prediction correct? If you said that it did not roll, you were right. My magnifying glass does not roll, so I'm gonna put that right over here. Okay, I have one more item to test out. And it's a little silly, it's a little tiny, so I want you to look super, super closely. I have a small little battery. Take a close look. Close look. Now friends, do you think it's going to roll or not? Okay, I'm gonna set it down in 3, 2. Oh my goodness. Watch just one more time, because I know it was so tiny. Scholars, if you said that this rolls, oh my goodness, you're just already the most amazing scientist. Way to go. You're so right. This battery rolls. Now I'm gonna set my ramp to the side real quick because I noticed something about these items that rolled. There's something similar or the same about them. Well, let's think about some shapes. And we are, oh my goodness, we are almost at the end of kindergarten and first grade. So we know a lot about our 3D shapes. So if I took a good look at this object right here, what 3D shape is it? Should think. Oh my goodness. It is a cylinder. It's a what? Yes. So this is a cylinder, which means it has the face of a circle. And I don't know if you knew this, but circles are round. They're what? Yes. So that means there are no corners, no points, nothing. It is just nice and round. Let's look at this little battery. Like I said, I know it's super, super tiny, but friends, this is actually the same 3D shape as this container. This is also a cylinder. That's right, it's also a cylinder, which also means it's round. It's what? Yes, oh my goodness. So, a cylinder and a cylinder. But I don't know, these two, they're not cylinders. What are they? Think about your math class when you learned all about 3D shapes. Oh my goodness, this is a sphere. It's a what? It's a sphere. And spheres are a 3D shape. And I kind of think about circles sometimes, even though a circle is only a 2D shape. But I know spheres are also round. They're also, okay, I got one more item because I feel like we're onto something. So this is a lime, okay? And it's kind of a silly shape, but it reminds me a lot of my ping pong ball. And we said that this was a sphere, right? So I'm gonna say my lime is also a sphere. And I kept saying that my cylinder and my spheres, they're round. Oh my, so I noticed I said all 4 of these items are round. Are what? Yes, so they're round. So that makes me think that if I want my item to roll down a ramp, it has to be round. It has to be. So scholars, what I want you to do is think of what other round objects would roll down our ramp. You can go ahead and build a ramp at home if you'd like and send items down it. I would love nothing more. But also, if you just want to go ahead and tell me some items that you think would roll down a ramp, I would love that too. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with.